What if the world's most advanced technology is invisible? Not because it's hidden, but because the rules were designed to ignore it. This is omission by design. It's the legal cloaking device for environmental nanotechnology. By regulating only the chemistry and ignoring the geometry, engineered structures can ghost through our air and water. If the sensor isn't told to look for it, it officially doesn't exist. The lens doesn't lie. We are documenting a conductive environment that the maps have left out. Welcome to the syllabus of the invisible. Understanding this technology and the laws that hide it is only the first step. We are linking the lens to the reality they won't report. Join us in this strange and concerning journey. Follow to stay connected and share this, because the truth is only as loud as the voices that carry it. This is the syllabus of the invisible.